Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about I'm thinking of starting with a Patreon because I've been getting a lot of the comments and few of the people were talking about that they want the courses regarding the Zazzle. Somebody also told me to make the courses on a Creative Fabrica. So I see that the people want the more content, not just these YouTube videos. So now guys, if you know so far that I'm not really into the courses, but I really want to help you guys. So I'm thinking of something. So I'm going to be talking about in this video what I'm thinking, and also I want your own views, your own perspective about this particular thing. And if you have any suggestions or any advice, do let me know in the comment section below. So let's dive in with today's video. Before go park, consider clicking the like button guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing. We will going to upload more videos, so whenever we do so, you'll be get notified about it. We have the bunch of the free resources. The link is in description box below. You can click on that link, you can download it. You can also subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now it's on waitlist. So once we get started with that, we will going to send you exclusive content regarding making money online. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about the Patreon. Why I am thinking of about starting with a Patreon. Now, from almost like from few months, I've seen that so many people were talking about I want more detailed video tutorials about the Zazzle, about the Redbubble, about the Creative Fabrica, and so on and so all those things about making money online as an artist, as a creative person. So they want more such videos, and they were like, can you make a course on this particular thing, or can you make a video tutorial or a video class on this thing that not just there on a YouTube, but is there on some your hosted on some your website or something like that. Me so far, like I am not really a big fan of the courses. Now I'm not saying that the courses are bad or it's not amazing. Courses is a great way to learn, to actually see how to get started with something which you want to get started with that. So courses is a great way to learn, but I see that most of the courses the people join, they don't really take an action for that. And from my own experience, I have also joined so many courses so far in this online entrepreneur world. I have enrolled in so many courses, the programs and all those kind of stuff. And what I find that not many people do take an action, because the courses contain the content something like 4 hours, 5 hours, or maybe more than that, along with a lot of the downloadable printables, cheat sheets, guides, workbooks, and all those kind of stuff also comes with the courses. And when people buy any kind of course, they're going to see, oh, 10 hours of content, oh, 5 hours of video content, how I'm gonna watch that? I don't have that much of the time to watch that. They buy the courses, they watch some of the video tutorials, they download the printable guides, start using them, but eventually they feel like there is a lot of the things there that are there in the course, and they don't have that much of time to work on these things. So eventually they don't take that much of action which they have to, or which they need to get the results which they are looking for. So that was the one thing I find from my own experience with the courses. Now, courses is a great way to learn, but what I'm thinking, guys, instead of actually delivering you a big course of the Zazzle, like having 4 hours of content and all those teachers and guides, I'm thinking of dividing those courses into short video tutorials, like easy consumable tutorials or easy consumable guide actions, printables, and all those kind of stuff, which can help you each and every month, getting you the content which you can use it, which you can take an action according to it, and you can get the desired results. Because if the courses or if the video tutorials are not getting the results, then what the purpose of making them? Seriously, what do you think about it? Let me know your views in the comment section below. So I really want to make a content that is easy, consumable, and people can consume it on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, depending on their own schedule, routine, and whatever it is. Like if they don't feel like watching this particular content right now, it's okay. They can watch it tomorrow, maybe the next week, maybe the next month, whatever it is. But I'm thinking of putting that big chunks of hours of the courses into small video tutorials, small guides, and small action steps which you can take each and every month, and towards reaching towards your goals and that's what I'm thinking. So that's what I'm thinking about the Patreon. Now Patreon is quite affordable. I feel like there are so many people who are having the Patreon. Like I see the many YouTubers, also many content creators, also many artists, writers, and all those people who are making the content in the online world. They have the Patreon, and the Patreon membership starts from $1 and ranges from maybe $100, $200, whatever kind of perks they are having in the Patreon. So I feel it's quite affordable, and also it's easy for people to consume each and every month the content related to that particular thing at highly affordable rate, and they can take the action steps. Then they can ask the questions or their doubts if they have one regarding that particular thing, and it would be answered for them. So that's what I'm thinking. Rather than making a course, I'm thinking of making a Patreon. Now, of course, from my side, the Patreon is doing a lot of the work because you have to do on a consistent basis each and every month, and courses are kind of like just made for in 1 month, and they are selling for the entire year. You don't need to do the work regarding that particular course, kind of like a passive income. But I feel like I want to provide more value to the you guys, whether it's in a form of a passive, whether it's form of an active. And I feel like Patreon is much more friendly because I have also joined few of the Patreons supporting the artists and creators, and I feel like when they are releasing their content in the Patreon, I am more ready to accept it, to receive it, to download it, and to use it. So I feel like the actionable steps are more friendly rather than the big chunk of the hours to watch the content and take an action. So that's what I'm thinking about. Do let me know your views and thoughts about the Patreon. Like, do you want the exclusive content from me? Like that would going to comprise regarding making money online. If you want kind of like exclusive content, you want your question to be answered. Of course, I do answer your questions in the comment section below. I do make the YouTube videos on your questions. But if you want more detailed questions to be answered based on your own shop, based on your own situation scenario, then I can provide that kind of content via the Patreon, because here there are a lot many questions, lot many doubts are there, and at times it's not possible for me to actually talk about each and every questions in these YouTube videos, or to cover each and every people perspective in these YouTube videos, although I'm trying to do that. But if you joining the Patreon, I can do more for you guys. Obviously, I'm gonna have my Patreon. That's what I'm thinking currently, to start from $1, proceeding with a $5, $10, and so on. Like, I'm not charging you huge $100 or thousands of dollars for a Patreon or for a course. No, I'm not really in a mood of that. Seriously, I don't like that kind of stuff. I like that people are getting the easy consumable steps, video tutorials, guide, cheat sheets, answering their questions, live Q&A, whatever it is, each and every month, so that they are getting kind of like familiar with the community, familiar with the things, and they can take an action and see the results they want to have and achieve the goals which they want to have. That's what the purpose of all those things. If it's not helping you, then what's the purpose of that? So that's what I'm thinking, guys. Instead of the courses, instead of all those things, I'm thinking of the Patreon. A Patreon would be quite affordable, and also it would be easy for me to deliver you the content via the Patreon. And also I'm gonna be answering your questions, and depending on the perk in each and every tiers, I'm gonna provide more value to the people. And also, guys, I would really love you if you support my channel and all those kind of stuff, because if you support my channel, if you support all those things, then I would be more free for making more content for you, making more things that you want for your shop, maybe reviewing your shop, because I also get a lot of the comments and people were asking me, can you review my shop? Can you do that? Obviously, I have in the past made the videos reviewing the shop, the Redbubble shop, or some other TeePublic shop. I have reviewed them. But if you want your own personalized shop to be reviewed, I can also provide that kind of stuff in the Patreon. So I can literally review your shop based on what you want, and I can give you suggestion based on my experience and knowledge, and that kind of stuff would be there. And also there would be a community which you can talk with the other people, interact with them. So that's what I'm thinking with the Patreon. Do let me know what you think about it. Do you want such kind of exclusive content that can help you provide more actionable steps, answering your questions in depth, also doing the shop review for you? Do let me know in the comment section below. Do you want such kind of content or not? Or do you want the courses, or do you want the Patreon? Like, which kind of stuff you are in more favor of? Like, where I can review your shop, where I can give you the actionable steps or answer your questions and all those kind of stuff. The things will going to be determined a lot based on your comments, guys. So let me know your views and thoughts in the comment section below, because it will really going to help me decide taking an action towards which is best for you based on what you're telling me in your comments. Because I see a lot many people are talking about, hey, please make a course on this topic, or please guide me each and every step along the route. Now it's not always possible for me to guide each and every person in these YouTube videos, because it's a lot of work to make these YouTube videos. And also from the January, I'm gonna be slowing down with my daily YouTube schedule, because I have a lot of the projects that are pending because of these daily YouTube videos. So from the January, I would be making 3 videos a week. I won't be making daily videos on this YouTube channel. I would be slowing down, and I would be providing more value to the people who want more exclusive content. And if you don't want it, that's also fine. If you don't want a Patreon, if you don't want a course you're doing by yourself, that's amazing. And if still you need any help, do let me know your views and thoughts in the comment section below. But I'm thinking, guys, rather than with the courses, I would want to go with the kind of like a monthly membership or a Patreon, which is affordable as well, and also which can help you each and every step, answering your question, doing the shop reviews, kind of like helping you guys you can take for to get and achieve the goals and make the money which you want to make from your own business, from your print-on-demand business, from your Creative Fabrica, whatever it is. Because I have an experience. I'm not saying I have years of experience. No, I don't have that. I don't fake it. I always talk about what I know. I also do make several mistakes. Yes, I do make. I talk a lot about that, and I learn from a mistake, and then I grow and mature. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. Let me know your views and thoughts in the comment section below. Do you want Patreon or do you want courses? Let me know. If you want a Patreon, and if you're ready to receive it each and every month based on my experience and knowledge, and also if you want your questions to be answered in much more detailed way, and also if you want your shop to be reviewed, whether it's a Zazzle shop, Creative Fabrica shop, Redbubble shop, TeePublic shop, whatever it is, if you want it to be reviewed, then do let me know what you think about it, because that's what I'm thinking in incorporating in the tier system on the Patreon. Depending on each tier system, I'm gonna provide the perks in that. Some would be having the more perks, some would be having the less perks, depending on the tier system. So that's what I'm thinking. Let me know your views in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.